Okay, welcome to the Topic 8 Math Review. Question 1. After a bake sale, only 2/3 of the pie remains. What fraction is equivalent to 2/3? So, I've got my fraction 2/3 written, and I'm going to see, are any of these fractions equivalent? Now, to go from 2/3 to 1/3, I would have to divide because this is smaller. So I try to divide. 2 divided by 2 is 1, but I can't divide 3 divided by 2 to get 3, so this is not equivalent. And I need to be able to divide or multiply by the same number on top and bottom to get the second fraction. Let's check 2/3 and 3/3. Are these equal? Well, right away I can tell that they're not equivalent, but I could check by doing 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 1, because it would have to be the same thing top and bottom. It's no good. 2/3 and 3/3 are not equivalent fractions. Let's check 2/6. 2/3, is that equal to 2/6, or is it equivalent? Well, what could I multiply by to go from 2 to 2? 2 times 1 is 2. Can I multiply 3 times 1 to get 6? No, not equivalent. So it must be D, 4/6, but let's prove it. 2/3, is that equal to 4/6, or is it equivalent? Let's look. To get from 2 to 4, you would multiply by 2. To get from 3 to 6, you would multiply by 2. So I multiplied by a fraction that's equivalent to 1 or equal to 1. That's equivalent, right? And if we looked at the picture, I could split each of these pieces into 2, and now I would have 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2/3, 2 out of 3, is equal to 4 out of 6. Leslie will use more than 1/2 cup, but less than 1 whole cup of flour for a recipe. What fraction of a cup might Leslie use? Explain. So I need a fraction that is more than 1/2, greater than 1/2, but less than 1. So something between 1/2 and 1. Now, you might just know one of those fractions. A number line might help you, or I could cross multiply, right? That's another strategy we learned. But I would like to, well, I'm going to try cross multiplying. I need to find a fraction greater than 1/2. So I'm going to say, I'm going to guess, is 1/3 greater than 1/2? Well, I'm going to cross multiply. I'm putting the symbol in the middle so I can put less than or equal to or greater than. 2 times 1, right? I use this butterfly method. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. This is the greater fraction because the 3 on top is greater than the 2. So, right, this 3 and this 2. So this fraction, 1/3, can't be my answer. It's not bigger than 1/2. I'm going to try 1/2 and 3/4. Let's see, right? I want this fraction to be bigger. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 1 is 4. Oh yeah, that's it. 3/4 is greater than 1/2. Leslie, right? Explain means write a sentence. Leslie might use 3/4. I cross multiplied to make sure that 1/2 is greater than 3/4. Sorry, that should be reversed. That 3/4 is greater than 1/2. I also know 3/4 is less than 1 whole, right? Because 3/4 is a fraction, and so it's less than 1 whole.